In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. Make sure you're using the advanced version, since forecasting and planning tools may vary depending on your subscription. Once you're inside your account, you'll be working from the main dashboard. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is where QuickBooks organizes a wide range of financial insights, including planning and forecasting tools. If you use reports often, this area will probably already feel familiar, but today we're focusing specifically on forecast-related features. Inside the Reports section, look for Financial Planning and expand it. This section groups together tools designed to help you look ahead instead of only reviewing past performance. That's especially useful if you want a better understanding of future cash position and upcoming financial trends. From there, select Cash Flow Planner. This tool helps you create projections based on the information already in your QuickBooks file. Once it opens, QuickBooks will begin using your existing transactions and account data to generate a forecast. In other words, it pulls from the financial activity you've already recorded to estimate what your future cash flow may look like. Take a moment to review the financial data being used. This is important because the quality of your forecast depends heavily on the accuracy of your bookkeeping. If your records are current and complete, your projections will be much more useful and realistic. If the tool allows it, adjust your forecast assumptions. You may be able to modify projected income, expenses, and other cash flow expectations. This gives you more control over the forecast and allows you to reflect upcoming changes that may not yet appear in your transaction history. After that, review the forecast itself. Look closely at the projected cash flow and any future account balances shown. This step helps you identify patterns, possible shortfalls, or periods where cash flow may be stronger than expected. If needed, update the forecast inputs by changing planned transactions or adjusting assumptions. This is a helpful way to test different scenarios and see how those changes could affect your financial outlook. Once you're happy with the forecast, save your changes so your updates are not lost. Then, make it a habit to revisit the forecast regularly by going back to Reports, then Financial Planning, and then Cash Flow Planner. Forecasting works best when it's reviewed and updated consistently, especially as new transactions come in and your business plans change. Thanks for watching.